Learning how to isolate oneself from negative energy and stress in order to reach a state of self-awareness and self-realization is the foundation of the practice of transcendental meditation, which is both an art and a skill. Even the name Transcendental Meditation conjures up images of a blissful state for the practitioner. Imagine all of the advantages that you could gain if you actually learned how to do transcendental meditation and incorporated it into your normal routine on a weekly basis. Your health can be improved in many different ways by practicing transcendental meditation. First, there is the benefit to one's physical health, and second, there is the benefit to one's ability to overcome the destructive tendencies of one's mind. The benefit to one's spirit comes in last, but it is not the least important. The practice of transcendental meditation not only helps reduce stress but also has potential health benefits for the body as a whole. This particular style of meditation has been shown to be beneficial to the spirit, or soul, as some people prefer to refer to it. Condition of one's body. The health benefits of transcendental meditation have been documented by scientific methods of study in a variety of areas. Health of the cardiovascular system, disorders of the joints and arthritis, pain disorders, concentrations of blood pressure and cholesterol, and even menopause. Of course, the practice of meditation begins with the mind, but it also has a direct influence on the ways in which the body can benefit. If the mind is sound, alert, active, and vital, then it stands to reason that the body will follow the mind's lead and become similarly healthy, alert, active, and vital. The practice of transcendent meditation is one that is often suggested either as an alternative to conventional treatment methods or as an adjunct to such methods. Numerous people have expressed their belief that engaging in this particular mode of meditation is beneficial to the quality of their mental state. Those who struggle with problems such as the following have reported receiving additional solace and care as a result of this practice in the past: anxiety, fear, stress, even certain types of clinical depression. Immediately after finishing a session of transcendental meditation, some people have reported experiencing feelings of inner peace and general calm, as well as gaining clarity and insight into their experiences. Many people who have engaged in the practice of transcendental meditation have reported an overarching sense of peace and calm that seems to live inside them at all times, not just after they have meditated. This sense of peace and calm seems to be present even when they are not meditating. It's possible that these people are experiencing some of the more widespread effects that transcendental meditation can have. This form of meditation can have an effect similar to that of a pebble being dropped. As a result, it is clear that transcendental meditation confers benefits on not only the mind but also the body and the soul. As you continue to practice and improve your skills, it's possible that you'll be able to pass on the benefits of this particular form of meditation to the people in your immediate environment. Stay tuned to our channel for more insights. Do not forget to like and subscribe.